Media production is all about consistency. Business is about consistency and simplicity in our experience. And what we're finding is if we set a 90-minute timer, right, record a short video about the work we're doing, the customers we're serving, and or educating our dream customers around our process and or frameworks. We have a clear call to action in each one of those videos. We can drive engagement, provide value to the marketplace, and also differentiate ourselves without talking about our products and or services. Hey guys, in this short video, I'm going to take you through the process of leveraging the RazoRSharp CRM in order to publish content and syndicate it into your social media channels so that you increase visibility and attention on your business, your brand, your products, and your services. I'm going to do 5 posts leveraging the RazoRSharp CRM, and I'll take you through the first one step by step, and then we'll jump into time lapse in order to get through the other 4. My goal, it's 10:23 right now, but my goal is to have all 5 posts done within 25 minutes. This is a training for our VAs so that they can publish content more rapidly and raise more attention for our business and then also our client organizations. So if you're not yet a customer of RazoRSharp Networks, which is an application built on GoHighLevel, go ahead and check out the description of this video. I'm going to provide a free trial to both our premium business license and our elite licensing for 30 days, where you can get access to all the tools, software, and training that we provide here at RazoRSharp Networks. In addition to that, there's over $10,000 in bonuses that are available for you inside of that free trial. So check it out in the description of this video. So, and first thing you're going to want to do is log into the RazoRSharp CRM. You'll go to the marketing tab. You're going to go to the social media planner. You'll select new post. Create new post. You're going to select the social media accounts you want to publish and or syndicate into. And then what you're going to do is you're going to select your content. You have the ability to select images and or videos. We're doing video content in the form of 3 to 5 videos a day. In our commitment to do that every day for 30 days, what we're doing is every 30 days, we're going to be publishing 3 to 5 times a day and then publishing our results online in regards to what our growth was over the previous 30 days. We feel like that simplifying our messaging, simplifying what it is that we're doing, and following a simple framework, which includes our media production framework, which is setting a 90-minute timer, and then every 90 minutes creating content around the work you're doing, the customers you're serving, and or educating your dream customers about your product, your process, and or your frameworks is an incredibly powerful way to raise visibility around your business and your brand. So this assumes that you've already produced the content itself, which I do, and then I upload it into the RazoRSharp CRM for our virtual admins to manage. So what I'll do is I'll select the video icon. I'm going to navigate to video shorts, select the video in the first spot there. That's going to upload the actual video itself. Now, when I'm finished with this, what I'll do is I will go back in and I will move that to the publish folder so that it is not in the way. But let's check out this video here. Thinking about what it is that I would give. So I'm going to save this change. I can select the thumbnail there, and it says it's pretty simple. Now, what you can do is you can come in here and you can select AI. There's 2 ways to do this. If you understand the framework, you understand what it is the call to action is and what it is that you want to communicate, you can just go ahead and type this in here. You can add your keywords. Now, we leverage vidIQ and their keyword tool in order to find keywords that really resonate with the customer and or being searched on YouTube. We want to make sure that we're answering questions and doing a little bit of keyword research before we actually publish this into YouTube. So we utilize vidIQ in order to accomplish that. I will leave our affiliate link in the description of this video so you can get access to that. I believe that it's a really powerful tool that you can leverage in order to get access, getting a bunch of phone calls. But what we do is we leverage vidIQ in order to do keyword analysis so that we know what keywords are being searched on YouTube. So as you can see here, I go simplify business growth is one of those keywords. This has a medium search volume, not very high competition. So what we can do is we can take that information, jump over here, simplify business growth, and then we can look at related keywords. If there are related keywords that are anywhere around 67 or higher, and or we want to take a look at questions that are being asked related to that keyword, we can go ahead and do that as well. Select our writing tone. And then select generate. What this will do is this will give us the content that we need for the social media post. So a couple of different ways you can do that. If you understand the frameworks, you can do that. If you don't understand the frameworks and you want to, proof this content, what you can do is you can upload the actual video into Otter AI or some other application that can transcribe the video and then have AI produce your titles and your content. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at what the output was. I'm going to take the first sentence in this title and I'm going to go ahead and go down to YouTube and actually add it to the title. I'm going to select short here. I'm going to enable comments on our TikTok. Then I'm going to add this to Instagram Reels. We're doing a test right now in regards to posting Reels. So what I've done there is I've quickly and easily created a social media post, a video post that's going to be syndicated online. Now, depending on whether or not I had an approval workflow, what I could do is I could select this here. We'll have post-production handle that. And I can send this post for approval. What that would do is if you have an approval workflow and you want to review those posts before they go out into social media, you would go ahead and send these for approval. That's basically going to give you the ability to schedule the post for a future date and then send it to an actual approver on your business, which can be impactful if you want to manage that process. Now, for me, since I'm doing this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this post and I'm just going to post it now. This will go into the queue and it's going to start to syndicate that content out into social media. And it will give you a post status on each one of those channels and where it went out to. So this is a quick and easy way in order to publish content into multiple channels and to get, a little bit more coverage when it comes to visibility and attention. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and set a timer right now. And we're going to go through the process of publishing the other 4 pieces of content and we'll see how long it takes us. And then what we'll do is we'll utilize that for training purposes so that we can provide this to our VAs and they can go through the process as well. So for post-production, go ahead and throw up a timer, 20 minutes. We already did one. We're going to do 20 minutes and set, go. Well, there you go, guys. We just got those social media posts just over 20 minutes, about 26 minutes. We did 4. We did 1 for you originally. Again, if you have a VA that's handling this for you, all you have to really worry about is your media production. And we make that incredibly simple for you. Media production is all about consistency. Business is about consistency and simplicity in our experience. And what we're finding is if we set a 90-minute timer, right, record a short video about the work we're doing, the customers we're serving, and or educating our dream customers around our process and or frameworks. We have a clear call to action in each one of those videos. We can drive engagement, provide value to the marketplace, and also differentiate ourselves without talking about our products and or services. We talk about that in our media production framework. If you'd like to get access to that, leave media in the comments section of this video, and I will send that over to you. Again, if you'd like to get access to the RazoRSharp CRM built on HighLevel, look in the description of this video. I'm going to leave a link to a free trial that you can get access to both our professional and elite licensing so that you can get your business up and running with my team's support before you even have to pay for the application. So that's incredibly powerful. Plus, we have thousands of dollars in bonuses that come along with that free trial to get you up and running more rapidly and with better results, because we know that technology is generally not the problem. It's the implementation of that technology for you and your team. And so we want to work on a daily basis in order to show you how to implement more rapidly so you can drive results more rapidly as well. That's all I got for you today. If you have any questions, leave that in the comments section as well. And as always, make today and every day a fantastic day. We'll talk with you real soon. Hey there, if you like that how-to video and you'd like to get access to our entire knowledge base, visit support.RazoRSharpNetworks.com, where you can learn about how to leverage automation and AI to help you move contacts through your customer journey more rapidly and with better results than ever before.